Welcome to Brain Bites, your quick dose of science and strategies for an unshakable brain. I'm your host, Dr. Kylie, and in the next few minutes, you'll get a sharp insight to feed your brain. All right, let's dig in. Google had a problem. Their employees were gaining weight, so much that they started calling it the Google 15, just like the freshman 15. Free food everywhere, unlimited M&Ms and clear dispensers, sodas at eye level, giant plates. It was a perk, but that was backfiring. Here's the thing. Taking away free food would crush morale. So what did they do? They used something called nudge theory, a concept from Nobel Prize winner Richard Thaler that changed everything. A nudge is simple. It's any tweak to your environment that changes behavior without taking away choices or adding penalties. Google didn't remove a single M&M. Instead, they moved them from clear containers to opaque ones and put them higher up, harder to reach. Then they placed healthy snacks, pistachios, dried figs, etc., in clear jars at eye level. The results? In just 7 weeks, employees consumed 3.1 million fewer calories. Candy consumption dropped 9% in week 1 alone. Then they tackled drinks. Water went to eye level behind clear glass. Sodas dropped to bottom shelves behind frosted glass. Water consumption jumped 47%. Soda calories fell 7%. And here's the kicker: 0 complaints. They tested plate sizes next. Small plate usage increased 50% just by posting a sign that said, "People with bigger plates tend to eat more." They color-coded foods: green for eat freely, yellow for moderate, red for limit yourself. Desserts moved to the far corner and were capped at 3 bites max. The salad bar became the first thing you saw when you walked in. Let me say that one more time. They color-coded foods: green for eat freely, yellow for moderate, and red for limit yourself. So why does this matter for your brain? Because your brain isn't making decisions in a vacuum. Your environment is constantly nudging you, for better or worse. The snack drawer you pass on the way to your desk, the phone that sits face up next to your bed, the clutter on your workspace, these aren't just inconveniences. They're architectural choices that shape your behavior every single day. The beauty of nudge theory is this: you don't need willpower when your environment is doing the work for you. Google proved that. Small, strategic changes, friction for bad habits, ease for good ones, can create massive results. Your challenge this week: I want you to design one nudge in your own life, just one. Pick one habit you want to change and adjust your environment to make the better choice easier. Want to drink more water? Put a full glass on your desk every morning before you start work. I will tell you that if I'm going to drink water, I need to fill up a 32-ounce water bottle before I exit my house into the office space. Otherwise, I won't drink all day long. That said, my husband has started to notice that both he and I, while we're out here working in our offices that we've built in our backyard, we don't eat and we don't drink. So part of our near future plan is to add in like a kitchenette in between our office spaces so that we can have some food and some drinks nearby us. Otherwise, we start work and we just go throughout our day. And by the end of the day, we haven't drank, we haven't eaten. And in one of our previous episodes about your brain's budget crisis, well, our brain is in a budget crisis. Is yours? Another example: want to scroll less? Charge your phone in another room at night. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow before you leave for the day. Make the good choice the easy choice. That's how you build an unshakable brain. Our fun fact for the day is your brain uses 20% of your body's total energy despite being only 2% of your body weight. That's like a small laptop running a data center. Your unshakable brain is the most energy-hungry organ you can have. Feed it and feed it Ferrari engine type fuel. I'll teach you how to feed it the Ferrari engine type fuel inside the Unshakable Brain book. Buy it now on Amazon and learn to read your labs like your brain depends upon it, because it does. I'm Dr. Kylie. Until next time.